Thank you for coming again, guys. You're in the kitchen with Lynn. Today we're going to make a very simple and easy rice. It's called vegetable rice, and you can use any type of vegetables into your rice. Guys, it's simple, it is delicious, and you can use it with almost any meat. Over here I have some string beans or Bora, red onion, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. I have sweet onion, garlic. I also have some diced carrot and some shredded cabbage, along with some 2 vegetable cubes. So I have a pint of jasmine rice. You can use any type of rice. I washed it, and I'm going to place a little bit of oil in a pan over medium heat. And once the oil gets hot, I'm going to add the onion and garlic and let them fry up for about 1 minute. Then I'm going to add the rice. At this time I have some hot water on the side to cook the rice, okay? Well, I should say to help to cook the rice faster. Saute this, then I'm going to add the 2 vegetable cubes into this pot. Then add some ginger powder. You can also use fresh ginger at this time, which is even better. Some parsley. Use the fresh one if you have it. And just give it a nice little toss, guys. Let the rice fry for about 2 minutes. In the oil, you can see that it starts to stick. It's not going to be burnt, okay? Then I'm going to add some hot water just above the level of the rice. This is because of the type of rice I'm using, and once you're cooking, guys, just make sure you add water just above the level of the rice. And as it keeps cooking, check the texture of your grain to make sure you get the right consistency you're looking for. So this is a seasoned rice, as you can see. I'll just stir it up. Then I'm going to place the cover right over this pot and let it cook. After 5 minutes, this is what the rice looks like. I'm going to give it a nice little toss around, and then I'm going to lower the fire under this pot. Put the fire on the lowest so that the pot would not burn, guys. As you can see, the rice is not done. Cover and set it aside and let it cook. After 5 minutes again, this is what the rice looks like. So I'm going to just give it a nice little mix. Remove it from over the heat, cover it, and set it aside. As you can see, you got a very good texture that I'm looking for. Let this sit for 20 minutes and it's going to steam and cook on its own. Over medium heat again, I'm using some sesame oil, which is going to bring back that flavor in my rice. You don't want much, you want about 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And then you're going to add the red onions. Then the long beans I'm going to add here, along with the carrots. Toss them around. You don't want them to be too soft. I like to have crunchy vegetables in my rice. So I'm going to add the cabbage, red and yellow bell pepper. And look at how beautiful this is, guys. I just love to see colors. Now I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. And I will be listing every detail in the description box below, okay? I'm also adding some more ginger powder. A little bit of complete seasoning because we don't want our rice to change too far off from a whitish color. Toss it around. Then I'm going to add the cooked rice. This rice is already seasoned, and all that is left is just to mix it up and get that vibrant color in the rice. It is so tasty and nice. Use this rice with any kind of meat. You can also use fish with it. And our vegetable rice is done. Serve your rice and enjoy, guys. Let me tell you, give it a try. Leave me a comment. Don't you forget to subscribe. Press that notification bell also so that you will be notified whenever I upload the next video. And if there's any other recipe that you want me to make, feel free to leave a comment down below and I will do the honors. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.